Today we have a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is How a Cop Quickly Ends a Woman's Escape Attempt.
On March 15, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for a traffic violation.
Parking lot in front of King 41. 23. Hey, stop!
Where's she at? Oh, in the store?
Get out now! Stop! I hate you! Stop! Get out!
Please stop!
Turn around! Turn around! Turn around!
Ma'am, please!
Turn around!
Ma'am, please help me, please! Please help me, please! Ma'am!
I'm not getting up!
Ma'am, please help!
Put your hands behind your back now!
Please, I'm gonna do anything!
Stop!
Help, please!
Put your hands behind your back!
Please!
Stop!
No, please stop! Please!
Can you open this?
Yeah.
Did she throw anything in here?
No, I think she was trying to grab and...
Help!
Stop!
You stop, please help!
Nah, ain't that something? Look at this. Brother, man, you know what I'm saying? White chocolate dude, man. You know what I mean? He out there slaving away, making sure we get our packages and our mail and everything, making sure everything runs smoothly. He get a small little bit of time just to, you know what I mean? He probably got the bubble guts. You know what I mean? Gotta take a dump. He goes, oh, I got the bubble guts. Let me take a dump. Or he get a little bit of time for lunch. Go get him something to eat. You know how fast food go. It run right through you. Bubble guts. Sit back, relax. Now you got help! Help! Oh my God! Put your hands behind your back. He got his drawers dropped. He's relaxed, man. He's like, what the heck? He ain't even wiped yet. And he got her trying to crawl up underneath. Oh, that's crazy now. Now that's crazy, man.
Stop!
Can I stop it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I didn't do anything. Stop!
You were under arrest. Stop.
For what?
You ran.
Okay, back up, just chilling.
Set 11, black female 17. Thank you.
Oh yeah, what? Oh, Burger King? He probably got one of them Impossible burgers. You know, that's that mystery meat.
Ooh. Hear me?
Oh, who's that guy? Everybody getting locked up.
Hey, bro, she gotta take a shit. We need to hit the light. Huh? You got your key on you? Yeah. Might as well come. Here, step over to the car.
Come here. I'll go get your shoes. Hey, Bummy.
Yo.
Could you hang out with her real quick? I think she threw dope in the men's room.
Yeah.
What? I didn't throw anything
lean
in the
against-
men's room. What are you talking
Lean against the
about?
car.
What?
Man, you good, baby. You gotta take a shit.
Gotta take a shit. On the bathroom?
Sorry, gotta use
On the bathroom floor?
Please, I don't even know what happened. I just got myself together. What's going on?
Got herself together in the men's bathroom.
Can somebody call my mom, please? My son, he's in the car. I don't know what's going on.
Just hold on. Just watch your feet for me. Damn, man. Hey, can I talk to the dude right down that black truck? Yeah, the man.
Come on, bro. Put some gloves on, my guy. Especially when you're going to search.
Stay right here.
I'm not going anywhere.
Well, I don't care. Stay right there. I don't care. Stay right there.
I don't know what's going on. Y'all just come and check out the others. What the hell?
Yeah, she threw dope in the bathroom. You ran over a sack of weed, seriously?
I don't know what's going on. What are you talking about? I didn't do nothing. I don't know what you're talking about.
She bolted, as soon as I stopped it, she bolted into the men's room, was trying to climb under the stall and then fought me in the men's room.
Really?
Yeah. She did. She's the one that 31.
Oh, you stayed in the car?
Yeah. Look at that. And this came out of your jacket that matches the backwoods.
It's a backwood. I don't know.
Yeah, and then your sack of weed that was in it.
Listen, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on.
We would have given you a warning and just
Listen, I don't
destroyed
do
your
police.
shit.
I do not do the police. I don't know what's going on.
You're gonna do the police today because you're acting like a dumbass.
You okay?
Yeah.
Especially with a kid in the car, really?
Oh wow.
Damn.
Raising the next generation.
What's up, bud?
See, kids start out innocent, man. But then you got you got your teachers. Your first teacher is, you know, your parents. You know what I mean? So there you go.
What's up? What are you doing?
Just separate your feet from me. Do you have anything that can stick near above me?
Here, let's stand over here, all right? Out of the parking lot, okay? Let's stand right over here in the shade, okay?
Dude, Burger King are some OGs.
Were they like trying to help?
As soon as I ran, they're like, men's room.
Yeah.
In the men's room, she's trying to climb under the stall.
Hold on, stay over here, okay, buddy?
Okay.
All right.
Hey, Klein. Do you want me to put her in your car?
Oh, yeah, passenger side.
He said I can get my shoes. Am I able to get them? They're right there on the trunk.
What's her gun?
That's Popeyes.
That's Popeyes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kids.
Watch your toes. What's your mom's phone number or whoever's gonna pick?
305.
You gotta stand over here, stand in the shade. It's too hot over there. You're in the sun.
Yeah. I got you.
Okay, is it alright if I call the grandma to pick up the kid?
We might not be taking him.
Her?
No, the male driver.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, she was the passenger, the male.
Oh.
Huh?
Mommy's a bad guy too.
Mommy's the bad guy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at mommy. She's the bad.
Look at that. The kid even know. The kid even knows mommy's the bad guy. That's crazy. What he's siding with Pops, man. Little man siding with Pops. He said mommy the bad guy.
Yeah, she was the passenger, the male.
Oh.
Huh?
Mommy's a bad guy too.
Mommy's the bad guy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Smart little
Look at
kid.
mommy. She's the bad guy.
We look at Adrian.
Take the child.
Hey.
What's up?
You forgot some Nerf guns.
I forgot what?
You forgot some Nerf guns.
The what?
The Nerf guns.
I don't know what that is.
You
He's saying
forgot
Nerf
some
guns.
gun in your car.
Oh, yeah? Go ahead. You stick with him real quick? I'm just gonna...
You forgot the Nerf guns.
What was that?
A Nerf gun.
Say that again?
A Nerf gun.
I don't know what you're saying.
She said,
She was trying to climb under the men's room door with some dude in there taking a shit. So I know what she was doing, man. She was running from me to ditch the weed.
Yeah.
She got warrant out of DeSoto for driving charges, for traffic charges.
Traffic out of DeSoto?
Yeah.
I gotta take mommy in a jail. What is it? I see what's going to happen over here.
Just give me a minute. I'm going to cut you a warning for the stop bar, okay? And we'll let you take your son.
You go grab your son, man. Load him back.
Do you want to go with your dad?
Yeah. All right, here.
You can go with your dad now.
Yeah, we stop
You
selling.
can go back in the car.
See you, buddy.
Not a good choice, all right? So you're going to take a ride to jail. We'll go from there, all right? Any questions for me? All right. So,
smart little kid. Oh, I see what's going to happen. You taking mommy to jail. Mommy's the bad guy. Oh man, you know you gotta love kids because kids they just gonna say anything. You know what I mean? They just gonna say. They don't think they just say it. Like it's just like, okay, all right, buddy, all right, you know, yeah, man. Like I said, kids start off so innocent. You know what I mean? And then you know you got your role models, which is you know your first teachers, which is your parents, you know, and then you get a little bit, so you get some influence from them, and then you get a little older, and then you start hanging around friends and this and that or whatever, but hopefully that kid could, you know, be something, but I don't know, by the looks of the parents, he ain't starting off in the best situation, man. It's pathetic, man. All over that little bit of stuff you got there. Come on, man. Now, cops always say, yeah, it was just going to be a warning. Da-da-da. Now, we know that ain't true. But they could say that after the fact. You know what I mean? Like, after. Be like, oh, you were just going to get people to, like, all right, to stop and, you know. But anyway, yeah, this was just a crazy story. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.